Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Mylena Joa. I am a 31 years old. I am a single mom. I have a lovely daughter. She is 1 years old. I am a high school graduate from Isabela, Philippines.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I have a 7 years experience in United Arab Emirates. My first employer, they are 4 members. They are two couple. They have two kids, 1 month old and 4 years old. I'm taking care of them, playing with them. I doing also cooking, cleaning, laundry, and ironing. And my second employer, a salon receptionist in salon company. I'm taking appointment, taking payment, taking out calls, and arranging the staff schedule.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always take care the safety and healthy for the children, especially if the baby is sick. I always checking the temperature and I will call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a responsible, honest, and hardworking.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad for my support my family, especially my daughter future, and also my financially in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My parents and my sister-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I need to remind myself that I miss this job.
What this time usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
It's depend if what time I finish my work.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I need to be more patient and calm to dealing with them.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, if needed.
Can you cook a Chinese food?
It's a little, but I'm willing to learn more.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I hope that you will hire me as your helper. I am a honest person, responsible, and hardworking. And I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.